So yesterday we started looking at the document API for Tableau and just wanted to throw out a very easy and quick win with that API. As Chris mentioned in the comments, it's really easy to grab all of the field information and discover which fields are unused within a workbook. So I've set up this this script right here is actually in the samples in the GitHub repository, and I just pasted it right in and changed the workbook name. And when I run it, I see all of the dashboards, the data sources, and the worksheets within that workbook, and then the fields as well. So this has a long list of fields. So I can open that up and see by worksheet and data source which fields are being used. Then this little script will grab the unused fields. And so if I open that, we can see there's a long list of fields not being used there. And obviously this could be used then to hide those fields or remove them altogether from the data source to improve your load times.